Alright. This is Chevy Astro 2002. Bank 2. Sensor 1. And that's where the cat is. And you can get access to it right underneath. Yeah, the only way you have to open up the doghouse because you got to plug that cable in right up there. It's the only reason. So that one is bank 2, sensor 1. Here is bank 1, sensor 2. And then the other one is, if you follow the pipe, it's right there. Oh. You gonna get it? I think it's right there. Right the fuck there. Bank 1, sensor 1. O2 sensors. So, I gotta wait until this thing cools down before I can pop that off. I'm underneath the car, so that's the only way you can get it. No other way.